A fraction is in its simplest form when the top and bottom share no common factor. Here's how to get there. Find the highest common factor of the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator. Divide both the top and the bottom by it. And that leaves the fraction in its simplest form. Let's simplify 8/12. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The biggest factor they both share is 4. That's the highest common factor. Divide the top and the bottom by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 2/3. 2 and 3 share no common factor, so 2/3 is fully simplified. Now let's simplify 18/24. The highest common factor of 18 and 24 is 6. Divide the top and bottom by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 24 divided by 6 is 4, 3/4. 3 and 4 share no common factor, so that's simplest form. So, to simplify, find the highest common factor, divide the top and bottom by it, and you're in simplest form.